Hi, this is 2005 Mercedes-Benz E500 for matic. It got a coil pack issue. This one is the bus coil right there. This is the line here, spark plug hose line from the coil pack, okay? So, and it's due for all the plugs anyway. The last time they changed that was about 70,000 miles ago. Anyway, so use this T30 to lose the bolt. That's how you remove the coil pack, all right? But before you do that, and that's the plug. This is the line to the spark plug. And to lose that, because a lot of time, once you install that, it creates a vacuum. So it's very difficult to pull it. So this is the special tool, 17 millimeter angle. All right, this is a special tool for that. You push this and pull it out. Yeah, here we go. See, that's how you use the tool. And that's it. The plug is basically use this 16 millimeter, all right? To lose the plug. That's it, okay? And they use the flex head, it's better, so you can move around easily. And this is now, this is out. Now I'm gonna put this one. There you go. That's it. And line it up, they're all the same. And this is a V8 engine, but they have the 2 spark plug per cylinder. So when you replace that, you need 16 spark plugs, and get the good one. Get the iridium. Do not use the copper or the cheap one. It's not gonna help you. All right. This is the car, got a big engine. You can do. Got a performance engine, so you need a good spark plug. And that's it. Install is just easy. Reverse the procedure. All right. Thank you for watching.